This tutorial will show you how to pin a comment online in and with TikTok social media platform completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Alright, the first step is to open up TikTok on your smartphone or iOS Android device. In this case I already have it here, so we're going to click on it. And the next step is to basically go into TikTok home, pause the video, and then go to the bottom right hand screen and click profile. And once you have your profile accessed and loaded, basically as you can see here, so this is my profile, and then now right here we want to be able to, I'm just basically clicking on a video. I'm trying to locate where the comments are, and as you can see someone left a comment, and well, we want to pin this comment, let's just say, right, in TikTok online completely for free. And basically, well, there's a couple ways to do this. If you were to hold down, we should have an option to pin, and unfortunately TikTok doesn't have this option anymore, sadly, sad face, because it would say pin comment. But as we can see, there's no option to pin the comment. If there is not another ways, you can right click, you can highlight the comment. As you can see, there's no way to pin the comment, at least at the moment. But if you guys know another option on how to pin a comment in TikTok, comment down below. And yeah, as you can see, again, we can hold down here and we can't really see anywhere to pin. This worked actually back in 2022, but they removed the option completely in TikTok.